Hello Chris, I'm going to attempt to answer your question from the AutoCAD Civil 3D discussion group regarding how to create a label that will show arrows from vertex to vertex, I believe is what you were looking for. So that would be a profile label. So I'll pick my profile object, edit profile labels. That's the type that I want to use is going to be lines, and I'm going to create a new style. And let's just call this with arrows. Here on my layout tab, I'll delete whatever components are there, and now I want to first add a line component, and we'll just call that line 1 is fine. Start point anchor point is critical. I want to use anchor PVI start dimension. Okay, and then use endpoint anchor, I'll say true, and then anchor PVI end dimension. So that creates my line. Now if I want my line to go exactly the entire distance, I leave the percent length on 100. If I want it a little bit less, I could adjust that value. Next I want arrowheads. Now I have already created a block in this drawing that I called arrowhead, and I'm going to use that as an arrowhead in this style. So I'll go here to my components and create a block component, and we'll call this arrow 1. Its anchor point is going to be anchor PVI start dimension. Size, I'm going to use 0.25. Let me pick my block here. So here's the list of blocks in this drawing. I created one called arrowhead. 0 rotation. Ignore this preview. It'll look correct when we finish. And then I want to copy that component, and I'll call this arrow 2, anchor PVI end dimension, and we'll rotate that one 180 degrees. Say OK to that. Now we need to move this style down into the styles for this particular profile. Hit the add button, say OK, and now we have these dimensions with arrows that start and end at our PVIs. I hope that was what you were looking for.